Good morning. These dogs are driving me crazy. Happy Mother's Day. All right. Why you gotta be so vocal? Everybody's driving me nuts this morning. All cooped up because it was raining. Now it's finally nice out. You don't even look like you're barking. All right, we're getting crazy. Everybody calm down. Everybody calm down. Let's relax. Tuka. You want some? What I gotta do to shut you all up? Oy, oy, oy. Jackson over there. Wilson and Zeus and Rocky. Rocky, you better not be eating a rock, Rocky. Oh, no, it's a stick. Okay. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see her. Hold on, where is she? Happy Mother's Day. There she is. Hi, Mama. It's morning dove. She's been sitting on that nest. Hi, pretty girl. Where's your husband? He off getting food? I'm checking on her. So that's cute. Hi, bud. He's so handsome. Maze. Come here, Maze. Come on, Jackson. All right. I got quite the crew here. Hi, Drake. What's up, bud? Hi, Suki. You're so pretty. Who's the prettiest girl? Getting all our energy out. I slept in a little bit this morning for being lazy. But these guys were up and at 'em. I'm going to play for a bit, and then we're going to go in for breakfast. Chasing each other, he's got a stick. Jenny! Oh, you pooped, buddy? You got all you running around in? These are all done now? These are all quiet? Driving me mental? Alright, just checking in. It's gorgeous out, finally. I think we're going to get a break from the rain for a few days. Hopefully a week. We'll enjoy the sunshine. Easy. Maze, you're a little scotch. Alright, just wanted to check in, say good morning. Hope everybody's enjoying their morning so far. You have a wonderful day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, all the dog moms. I think I'm gonna go sit in the sun and work on my tan if they don't jump all over me. Smell anything good? Anything good on my foot? Wilson. All right. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Enjoy this beautiful day. Maybe I'll check in later. I'm gonna start running around playing.